5 Best User Reviews of the TerraMaster F5-221 NAS Storage 5 Bay, Apollo J3355 Dual-Core 2.0 GHz 2 GB Memory Plex Media Server Network Attached Storage, Diskless. Powerful hardware. The F5-221 NAS storage is equipped with Apollo J3355 2.0 GHz dual-core CPU, and 2 GB of RAM, expandable up to 4 GB. Dual 1 GB LAN ports with each reaching at 119 MB per second read and 118 MB per second write. Network failover, link aggregation supported. Real users share their experience. Number 5. Exactly what I needed for my Plex application. Paul Warner. 5-star, I purchased the F5-221 NAS device to provide storage for my movies, music and photos. I started with one 12TB Seagate Iron Wolf NAS drive to begin with. Not sure if I'll need additional drives, but it's nice to have the expansion capability. Installation went very smooth by just following the downloaded installation manual. Paul Warner. Number 1. Item takes 3 hours to boot with 80 GB on drive. John Mullins. 1-star, purchased this product to replace an old FreeNAS solution. Before jumping over to it and buying the required 5x18 TB HDDs, I decided to run a test and see how it performed. John Mullins. Number 4. Very happy so far. Mark Clausen. 4-star, I bought this to primarily use it as a Plex media server. This installation of the drives was very straightforward and the instruction guide very helpful. In no time at all I was up and running. Mark Clausen. Number 3. Great product but difficult to set up. BB and Chris Jacobs. 3-star, this is a great product but it was very difficult to set up and the documentation was not great. BB and Chris Jacobs. Number 5. An excellent media server and storage unit. Lefty McKay. 5-star, I recently purchased the F5-221 as an upgrade from my F5-220 which I purchased in September of 2017. That unit was working great, but the increased read and write speed was particularly appealing. It arrived in a box similar to the F5-220 which was easy to open and very easy to set up, especially with the online instructions. As I was using my previous hard drives I didn't even need to reformat. Lefty McKay. To read all the reviews, click the link in the description below.